Hello children, well-wishers, friends. Hope so you are good. Okay, I think so you have been enjoyed 175th video. So thank you for that. So did not watch it, go through it. And here, competitive exam special. Already we gone through 10 parts, now 11th part. And it is meant for Olympiads, RRB, SSC, SI. And at the same time, it is specially meant for 6th, 7th grades fractions and decimals, and it is a requested video from the 6th, 7th, 8th class students. Okay, so this is also helpful for various examinations for 9th, 10th also. Let us see it now. So the value of 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5, so on 1 minus 1 by n. So don't show your panic here. So it's very simple. Okay, so let us start now. Solution. So 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 6, so on 1 minus 1 by n. Okay, so you have the product and between multiplication you have this, you have to evaluate. Now since it is a competitive examination, so your time starts from now. Here you have to able to solve in 1 minute. Okay, for the students sake I am saying slowly. So now here this can be written as 2 by 3. So how it is 2 by 3 I am explaining. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so nothing but here it is 3 minus 1 by 3. So here it is 2 by 3. So in this way, so remaining all you keep it like this. So on the same 1 minus 1 by n, again same 1 minus 1 by n. Okay, so here it is 2 by 3. So nothing but 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, and this is nothing but here our 3 by 4, and here it is our 4 by 5. Next 5 by 6, next here n minus 1 by n, generalizing here or taking out the LCM. If you are aware with the first one, remaining all you can write, that is a shortcut. Okay, so now since the operation is multiplication here between them, so 3 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 5 ones, 6 will be here and 6 will be here by 7, whatever it may be, and here n minus 1 will be cancelled out. Okay, whatever it may be, the numerator that will be cancelled out. So the leftover is 2 into 1 by n, nothing but 2 by n. Okay, so please be aware children here how I cancelled, generalizing here denominator numerator, so on denominator numerator, and here this part and this part anyhow will cancel. Leftover is 2 here, and here it is 1 by n, so 2 by n finally. So here it is 2 by n, nothing but our B option for this. I think so it is more than 1 minute in my explanation for your sake, but yeah, I had to do in 50 to 40 seconds, etc. So next, coming to this one now, solution. So if you observe carefully, it is a continued fraction. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So consider here the bracket, it's better. So here I am writing now 1 by 1 plus 1 by, okay, here 2 plus 1 by 3 I am taking out LCM, here it is nothing but here 3, 6 plus 1, nothing but 7 by 3. So 7, 1 plus 1 by here, this part I got here, 2 plus 1 by 3 I got as 7 by 3. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by, this is 7 by 3. So please be careful at this step students. Okay, so next step, nothing but here 1 by 1 plus, since it is 1 by 7 by 3, you had to write 3 by 7 by the fractions denominators part. Nothing but next here again taking over the LCM, 1 by, here it is, you can write 10 by 7 after the LCM. Next finally here it is 7 by 10. Since it is competitive examination, this part I have been explained clearly for your understanding, and this one, okay, A by B by C is, you can write AC by B. So going through it, again taking LCM, again since it is reciprocal, so it goes up here, and here it is 7 by 10. So finally looking over the options here, again it is C option, 7 by 10. Okay, so in this way you can overcome it, and this is the first problem and this is the second problem of part 11. Please children, once you look it, if you feel good, then only you like it. Okay, I tried my best, share to you near and dear. See you in the next video session. Bye.